$200 ticket. Just because I didn't do what I was supposed to do. I got a ticket because my city sticker is expired. And my license plate sticker is expired too. That expired in March. But I was quarantining. And then everything was shut down. And then somebody hit my car. And then my car was at the shop for like 3 months. And then when I got it back, I was moving. And then my washing machine is leaking. Like, I heard something ticking. And so I was like, let me just go check on it, because it was like spinning. I think it was like on the run cycle. And I come back here and water was like, I tried to soak it up with towels, but water was just like coming from underneath here. I can't flip this around. But I'm trying to, this disgusts me because it's like lint and stuff, and I get it, lint comes with the dryer and all of that, but I think this is my fault because I was trying to wash this huge Calvin Klein comforter. I turned it off, like I had to just turn it off. I was trying to wash this huge comforter and I put it on heavy because it's huge, but I think I should have put it on light so that it wouldn't use as much water. I mean, is that how it works? I don't know. But we gonna learn today because this ain't cool. Oh Lord Jesus, it's a flood. I'm gonna turn it back on, but I'm gonna put it on drain and spin and see if more water keeps coming out or if it acts right. Maybe you can't just drain and spin. No. What is this water spraying out? Not out, but I hear it. I don't think we need more water, guys. It's just on drain and spin. What's happening? And the lid is locked. What's going on? That's not what I communicated. I can't tell. It's just on. I can't tell if it's draining and about to spin or hold on. Now it says rinse. Ma'am, sir, ma'am, sir, hey. I'm not understanding what's happening right now. If you put it on drain and spin, what happens? Like, does it wash all over again? I'm not understanding. No need to panic. Wait, this thing says bulky items. Maybe I shouldn't. Reading is fundamental. Maybe I should have put it on this. Lord, help your child. What is that sound? Okay, it's spinning now. And that little thing in the back there is sucking up the water. So I think we're all good. That sounds scary. It's okay? It's okay? Are you okay? Everything good? You alright? You okay? We cool? No problem? It sounds like that build up in electronic music. It's like and then the beat's supposed to drop. This thing is like on 10 right now. Okay, so I think I did not break my washer. I think it's okay. I think I'm grown, and then I like get scared by my washing machine, and I call my parents, and I'm like, "Daddy, I think I broke my washing machine." As soon as I say I put my comforter in, I get a lecture about how you're not supposed to put the comforter in there. Take it to the dry cleaners because the washer isn't big enough to handle it. Okay, guys, noted. But this is what happened. Like, it's already done. I already put it in there, and we have a situation now. I'm back from the gym. I did 30 minutes of cardio, and then I did some weights, some quick weights, because my arms are sore from the other day. And my back is a little sore. So while I was on the treadmill, my legs were like tightening up. So I took some time to stretch, did some weights, and now I'm about to cook. We making Tex-Mex egg rolls. Woo woo. Here, y'all sit right here. Look. Oh. I know. I'm a nerd, but I don't care. I'm looking because this looks wider when I have on regular bras than when I have on sports bras. When I have on sports bras, I'll be looking like, you know what I'm saying. Anyway. Ooh. My arms are on fire. Can you see that? Me flexing? They are sore. Can you tell the difference? Wait, y'all tilted. You're tilted. Hold on. Can you tell the difference? I don't know. But I'm about to cook. I'm about to see if I can prop you up so you can just watch me work. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, I hate when I like put my shirt on over my head and it like rubs against my hair. I hate that with a passion. That's the equivalent of like rubbing my eyebrows the opposite way. That drives me crazy. But I'm about to go pick up some packages from downstairs, and I got on my 3 stripes sweater. Okay, girl. 3 stripes sweater and the 3 stripes pants I had on when I went to the gym yesterday. Nothing fancy. I'm just running downstairs. I don't even have on a bra. I'm just running downstairs to get my packages. Wait, let me get some lotion. You know what? Some of the people in this building are like, ugh. Like, I can't stand that. Like, okay, you can have what you have and be cool. Like, clearly, I'm not one to like quickly call something racist or nothing. But clearly we have some of the same. This ain't all my stuff. And this ain't even whatever they said was delivered. Okay, so my stuff is saying, it's saying that I have 4 items delivered today, and I only have 2 things in this box. But the way that Amazon said it was there were 2 things in one box, 1 thing in another box, and 2 things in another box. So I'm like so confused because that's 5 things. I'm so confused. I had this is the, you remember I said my phone mount was broke, so I got a new one. I like this. So now I can really stand y'all up and like tilt y'all over when I'm cooking and stuff like that. But anyway, in addition to having this, okay, what's missing? I got the phone mount, and I got one of these. I like this body wash. I like the, of course, the purple one, the lavender, but I wanted to try this one too. Eucalyptus and spearmint. So the lavender is supposed to like relax you and put you to sleep, and it does. And then this one is supposed to relax your body and relieve your mind. And it has aloe vera, shea butter, vitamin E to hydrate the skin. So this should be good. I was actually thinking about doing like one body wash for the morning that has like citrusy smells or whatever to wake you up, and then the lavender and stuff to relax you later at night when you have to go to bed. But I didn't see that, and I wasn't looking hard either, to be fair. But I have I got a fitness watch that's supposed to like keep track of my steps and sleep and heart rate and all of that stuff. That's what I was really looking for. That and this. Where is it? Because it all said delivered, and then I got the email to go and pick up the package. Okay, I gotta go back down there and have them search. And then I gotta eat, because, ooh, my stomach is like growling at me. It's gym time. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, look. I'm ready, locked and loaded. I want to do the treadmill. Let's see. Get my little cardio in. Back from the gym. You know what? I'm feeling stronger every day. Like, my body works quickly. Like, it remembers, like, muscle memory and all of that works quickly. I'll go, like, the first day I was like 6 minutes into the treadmill and she was tired. Like, woo! What in the world have I been doing with my life? Like, I've been eating okay. I eat what I want, but like for the majority of the time, I've been eating okay. Like, I was tracking my food and stuff. I told you I was tracking my iron or whatever. So I was tracking all the foods that I was eating. And it was like, well, you get A- on what you eat. Now you just gotta pay attention to different nutrients, vitamins, and all that type of stuff. But anyway, that first day, 6 minutes in, I was like, girl, how long I've been on here? And then the next time, because I only worked out 3 times so far, the next time around 13 minutes, so a little bit longer, I was getting tired. And then today I hit that thing for 26 minutes, and I hit the incline, and like my music dictates the pace, so it was like fast. Like, yeah. I was killing it today. And I just feel good. I feel stronger. I feel better. I feel like, I don't know, maybe this is why people would exercise in the morning, because I'm pumped up. Now I'm about to go like try to soak in the bath. Well, I'm gonna eat dinner and then I'm gonna soak in a bath and try to calm down and relax. But I now am thinking maybe I might be a morning exercise person, because it gets me pumped. Like, I want to get ready and film my videos and like do some work and stuff. So I might have to consider that. Instead of in the evening, maybe I should work out in the morning. I don't typically have to do break days, like rest days, because I don't go that hard in the gym. Like, I do just enough until my body is like, okay, girl, you can sit down. And I'd be like, okay, girl, thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna fix some dinner. So my love got these, and it's like written in mostly Korean, so I can't read the instructions. And he's like, just put it on 2 minutes and it's cool. Like, it does say 2 minutes, but am I supposed to open it, or am I supposed to just stick them in there? I don't know. But he had some the other day, said it was bomb. So we're about to make this rice with black bean sauce, and then we have a rotisserie chicken that we're gonna cut up and put in it, or on the side, and eat that. He says it's dope, so, or fa. He says it's fa. So we gonna try this fa meal and watch the game. And I'll see y'all later. So far today, I got up super late. My sleep was like super disturbed. Like, I don't even want to talk about it, but I got up super late and I was able to write an email for the first email of the year for Write My Studio. I took a picture for Instagram, for my Instagram, and then I'm preparing to do my first video of the year. Breakfast is jerk chicken, rice, and black beans today. But breakfast is at 2:30 in the afternoon, so it's fine and it's good. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? I don't know where to cut. Where do I? Okay, this seems like a good place. Maybe not. What is this? Oh, snap. This is product packaging. So, yeah. So now, my scripter pens are shipping in these magnetic closure. Opens up like that. So now, when you order a scripter pen, this is how it comes to you. Special, right? This is the tool that helps you manifest whatever it is that you want for yourself. So it gotta be special. I finished my video a while ago. It's dark outside, but it was still light outside when I finished the video. And I started cooking. It's Tuesday, so I made like some tacos. I didn't really want tacos today, but him wanted tacos, so I split the meat in half and I made some tacos, and then I made meatloaf. And oh my gosh, that meatloaf is smelling so good. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. It's smelling so good. And I'm about to make some mac and cheese to go with it, and some 4 cheese mashed potatoes. It smells so good. And I'm just staring at it in the oven while it's just cooking. Oh goodness. And I'm sitting here. I already edited the video that I did today. And I think you're gonna really like it. I edited that video, and I'm putting in all my descriptions and stuff on YouTube. New packages. Let's see. I don't feel a seal. I'm gonna get a box cutter, I promise. I'm confused. Duh, Andrea. I've been loosely saying this, but if you rock with me, everybody gives their people. They give their folks some a name. And since I'm Andrea, aka Dre, that's what him called me. Since I'm Dre and I'm on purpose, you can be a dreamer, right? A dreamer. I like it. Here's our tags. Well, not tags, but these are our promo cards. Got a little Instagram feed on here with the thank you on the back. Yes. I'm not gonna lie, I thought they were bigger than this, but I'm not good with numbers like that. So when it said 3, it said 3 by 3. I think I originally knew that they were gonna be like this, but I assumed they were gonna be like bigger. Anyway, I'm happy. They came out really nice. And these are gonna go in all the little purchases. So the next time y'all order y'all scripter pens and stuff, when y'all order y'all pens and stuff, you're gonna get the little card in here, the little promo card. There's another promo card that we haven't printed yet, but that is coming soon. But it'll have like specific, it'll be a promo card like with a promo code on it, and have like some of our popular items on it. But because I got a new journal coming in, we are waiting to put that card out. And I don't remember if I showed this yet, but how cute! These came in yesterday. Maybe I'll order some more and do them bigger or whatever. You know, we just gonna go with the flow and see how things go. But I'm excited because God has just been good and things have just been happening and things have been coming together and going well, and I have no complaints. I'm just happy with the progress of everything. I got on my little workout stuff. Ooh, deodorant. I got on my little workout stuff. Even though I haven't been to the gym, like this is the same, I had this on yesterday because I was like, I'm gonna go work out. And I got up today like, okay, I need to get a photo for Instagram and then go work out. And I didn't work out again today. And it's going on, oh, it's already after 9 p.m. And I think the gym closes at 10, maybe 9. But yeah, I'm not going today either because I'm whipping up some tuna. I'm working. I just got off of a meeting. I have a mastermind group, and we meet every Thursday. So I've been just doing that stuff. Social media, I don't want to say all day because I just woke up at like 2:45 p.m. Honey, I don't even say honey, but honey, I like for things to be in order. So at the end of the night, you see this mess? You see this mess? At the end of the night, when I sit down to like chill for real, everything is back in its place. I'll just like be running around like the Tasmanian devil or something, like I'll be running around just doing stuff, and then when it's time to end the night, I'll start really clearing stuff up, cleaning up, doing like wiping down the counters, putting the dishes in the dishwasher, folding up clothes, putting those away, because I do laundry every day. You know, straightening up the bathroom, clean the toilet. I do all of that stuff daily. Every single day when I go to bed, everything is in its place. Everything has a home, and it's in its home. And then when I wake up, it's like, okay, fresh canvas. What am I gonna do today? Because I didn't leave anything for me to do from yesterday. And I like it that way because it feels more orderly to me. Shoot. I'm waiting on another package tomorrow. I'm waiting on my iPad still. I'm waiting on my new journals. I can't wait for those to get here. Like, I'm excited about the mug and I'm excited about the new packaging and stuff like that, promo cards, but I am geeked about these journals because they're so cute. They're so cute. They got all the branding and stuff on them the way that I wanted it to be. This is that gold manifestation tool, and you got this sitting on your desk, and you sitting pretty, and you writing out and stuff on your new Right Mind journal. Like, you ready for anything. You ready to set up for life and all of that. So I'm excited for the whole product line to come together. So yeah, all of these are already available on the website. And I'm just ready for the rest of the stuff to come in because it's I don't know, it's exciting. It's exciting. Forward movement is exciting to me. Forward movement, doing things and moving on and getting stuff done. That's exciting to me. So I am going to go put the eggs in my tuna, and I'm going to kind of clean up this area a little bit because it is getting close to wind down time. And I'm probably just gonna be doing some house stuff while I play some YouTube videos in the background. Like, I'll put a bunch of videos that I've been wanting to watch in a queue and show it on the TV, and then just like do what I need to do. So I think I'm gonna do that now, and I'll see you later. Okay, I'm about to get in the shower finally, but this, and I know you might not get it unless you do like website stuff, but this right here just took me for freaking ever, because first of all, this thing is not working the way it's supposed to work. I'm supposed to go into the page builder and just change what I need to change. It would have taken me 2 minutes, right? But it's not working, so I had to go in a different way and like read through the code and stuff, and doing that I was able to just like copy this stuff and then add it up here and change the information so that I get the sipper and the hand mist or whatever, and then change the size of it so that it's not just like this, like 2 things over here and then this is blank. It just took me forever to get that together, but I'm grateful because it is together now, and if people come to my website, it won't be looking janky. So yeah, I just wanted to share that because Lord Jesus, it was a fire. But okay. Good morning or afternoon. It's Friday at 4:27 p.m. That's what time I'm getting started today. Yep. And you remember yesterday I had that crazy mess of a kitchen, and today I'm starting fresh like I like to do. Got my good word, and I got my couple of notebooks here. I gotta plan out some stuff to do. I work better with lists, because if I just think, oh, I need to get X, Y, and Z done today, I might start one thing and then watch a couple hours of YouTube and then be way off. But if I can like check stuff off, it makes me feel like I'm accomplishing way more. So I'm actually working on a product for organization and productivity. But until then, it's just me and my lists, you know? But I'm hungry. I'm gonna make some breakfast and then get my list together and get some stuff done. And I have some packages that I need to pick up. But I think this is just like packaging and supplies that I need. It's not like anything exciting. This is my face watching Jasmine Sullivan on this NPR Tiny Desk concert. Why is she killing it like that? Like, I haven't even gotten to the song with her and her, with Jasmine and her. Why is her throat set up like that? Like, why? Get the cookie residue off my mouth. Like, why? If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Andrea Denise. At Andrea Denise. I have an I in my name. Andrea. Andrea Denise. Follow me on Instagram. All right, girl, bye.